Hi, I'm Josh from Motormatch Bolton, and today I'm going to be showing you one of our used cars. This is the Toyota Yaris XL. It's a 1.5 litre petrol hybrid in blue with automatic transmission. Looking at the side of the vehicle as we make our way around, you'll be able to spot some metallic decorative side sills as well as privacy glass and a rear spoiler. These are features that really make the XL stand out in comparison to basic models. The car also comes equipped with LED daytime running lights as well as crisp, bright automatic headlights. Here you have a closer look at these 15-inch double spoke alloy wheels that are really stylish. Coming round to the rear, you'll be able to spot these LED brake lights that are perfect for nighttime visibility. Taking a look at the boot, you'll see it's a nice size for shopping trips and also comes with a protection mat in case of spillages. You'll also have access to a hidden tyre. The interior is finished with a part leather upholstery. You'll also have access to ISOFIX points in the back seats for those with small children. Coming into the front interior now, you'll be able to spot a comfy leather handbrake as well as whiplash injury lessening seats for that extra level of safety. Into the driver's seat now, you'll be able to spot that the left side of your wheel will have volume and radio channel control, whereas the right wheel will have trip and driver display settings. Your driver display is customisable should you wish to have a digital speedometer. Here you'll see the central display system has access to your general settings, a really customisable audio feature for music lovers and Bluetooth connectivity. The car does also have DAB digital radio should you not wish to connect. Taking a look at your climate control settings, you'll see that it does have an auto function for ease of use. You also have access to front and rear heating.